Wall coverings crafted with mastery. Every detail shaped with expertise and care. Sand, pigment, and minerals, selected, blended, and formed by hand. Where craftsmanship meets innovation. Each shade refined with precision, every color born from experience. Natural minerals applied directly onto a non-woven base. A true paint finish reimagined for your walls. Every nuance inspected, every texture perfected. Wall coverings with paint finishes, when printing becomes craftsmanship.